Okay, starting off 2021, and it's question 6b. So the question says, for breakfast each day, Ian eats either cereal or toast and also drinks fruit juice, tea or coffee. So the probability of toast is 0.4, so that means the probability of cereal is 0.6. The probability is fruit juice, so it's separate to the toast and cereal. So the probability of fruit juice is 0.64. He's equally likely to have tea or coffee. So let's take that away from 1 and let's split that into 2. So the probability of tea is 0.16 and the probability of coffee is fix these figures here, 0.18, 0.18. So probability of coffee is 0.18. So part 1 is actually find the probability of coffee. So we've done that. Part 2, he does not have tea or toast. So the toast or tea, sorry. So the probability of not toast and not tea. So not toast is 0.6 and not tea is going to be that, take away from 1, 0.82, which works out to be 0.6 times 0.82, 0.492. Okay, and then we have to do question 8 as well. Question 8 is actually binomial, so it really should be in the other section, but seeing we have it here, I'll just do it. It's not too bad. It really is in the wrong section. Question 8, part 1. In the manufacturing process, it's known that 3% are faulty, 20 are chosen at random, so X is distributed binomially, N is 20, and 3% is faulty. So let P equal 0.03, which equals the chance of them being faulty. Find the probability exactly 2 are faulty. So X equals 2. So your wee formula, just write it over here just to remind us what it is. Probability of X equals X is NCX, PX, Q, M minus X. So you go 20C2, P is 0.03 to the power of 2, and 0.97 to the power of 18. And just plugging it into your calculator should give you that figure out. Part 2. Find the probability that fewer than 2 are faulty. So probability of X less than 2. So that's the probability of X equals 0 plus the probability of X equals 1. So 20C0, 0.03 to the 0, 0.97 to the 20, plus 20C1, 0.03 to the 1, 0.97 to the 19. And if you just plug this into your calculator, you get 0.88. Part 3. A batch contains n components which has been randomly selected. The probability that there are no faulty components in that is 0.2957. So let me get this right. So probability of X equals 0 is 0.2957. Okay. Now probability of X equals 0, how many do I have? I don't know. So it's NC0. The P is still, there's none faulty. So the P is 0.03 to the 0. So the Q is 1 minus it, 0.97 to the N equals 0.2957. So that becomes 1 and that's 1. So you have 0.97 N equals 0.2957 is an exponential equation. That means you have to log each side. So log 0.2957, which enables you to bring your power forward. So N times log 0.97 equals log 0.2957. Bring this across and divide. So log 0.2957 divided and just plugging that into your calculator. Plug in any second here, and you get the answer of n equals 40 whenever you round that. And that is off that year.